Hey y'all! So today we are going to make some fall earrings using acrylic rhinestones and silicone beads. Okay, if you want a slowed down version of supplies and everything, I will list a video in the description below. But yeah, let's get started here. So these are 2-inch long eye pins that I'm going to bead up with. These are 12mm acrylic beads, and then these are 15mm round silicone beads. Just bead them on there, and as you can see, the hole on that 12mm there is too small for that eye of the eye pin to go through, so they just kind of sit there. I'm going to take my pliers here. I don't need to cut any off because my beads go about 3/4 up the pin there. So I'm just going to take my little pliers here. I don't know the technical name of these, but they're going to help me turn this down to make another little eye to put my wire on. Okay, I'm going to do this one real quick. Then I will have all of my supplies and everything listed in the description below. Going a little too far on this one. Go. I want to, my ear wires here, I want to make sure the ends, I don't know if you can see this or not. Nope. Well, it's open there a little bit, so I'm just going to take my needle nose there and just kind of pinch it closed. You want to make sure that you check your ear wires like that and just pinch them closed, otherwise your earrings will fall off. And then my jump rings here, these are 5mm. So we're going to spread this open, slip our earring on here, our wire on here, and give it a close. Okay, same with the other. Close here. There we go. Now, I'll put them on a card here so it'll be easier for you guys to see. So, super quick and easy and beautiful, one-of-a-kind fall earrings. Put our backing on here. Oh, I've got 2 cards here. Oh my goodness. There we go. Put our backing on. And how pretty are those? If you have any questions, let me know. But as always, thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Then until next time, see ya.